Before you sign up for testosterone therapy, definitely watch this. I've been trying out Blokes TRT for the past few months, and there's some stuff I wish I knew earlier. Also, if you decide to check out Blokes TRT at any point while watching, I dropped a link in the description that'll take you straight to their website and get you the best price available. Alright, so I recently hit my mid-30s and started noticing the usual low energy, workouts felt harder, recovery was slower, and let's be honest, my focus and motivation were just kind of shot too. I started looking into TRT, but a lot of the options felt sketchy or overly complicated. I found Blokes by looking through some Instagram videos of other guys going through this. What I liked right away was how streamlined the process looked, and spoiler alert, it is. I've tried supplements, different diets, cold plunges, all that. But this is the first time some things made a noticeable difference in how I feel. Getting started was honestly smoother than I expected. I didn't have to deal with awkward in-person visits or long wait times. You just answer some health questions online, schedule a quick telehealth call with a licensed clinician, and you're good to go. Within a few days, my testosterone sympionate prescription was delivered right to my door. Needles, alcohol wipes, everything included. No pharmacy trips, no hassle. What surprised me was how involved the care team actually is. It's not like they just send you a vial of testosterone and disappear. You get regular virtual visits with a board-certified clinician, and they run quarterly lab tests to keep track of your hormone levels and make sure everything stays optimal. You're not doing this alone. Blokes assigns you a one-on-one health coach who checks in, answers your questions, and helps you optimize everything: sleep, diet, and workout. If you ever need anything in between appointments, there's unlimited messaging. Like, I literally sent a message at 11 p.m. one night with a question, and they got back to me fast. I didn't expect that level of support. This was kind of unexpected, but nice as well. There's community aspect too. A place where guys can share experiences, results, even win outside of TRT. If you're the social type, it definitely helps. This isn't a magic switch though. It's still a medical treatment, and you need to be consistent with it. The injections can be intimidating at first, especially if you've never done them before, but they do a great job walking you through it. Also, it's not the cheapest out there, but honestly, for the level of care you're getting, I think it's worth it. If you're a guy over 30 who's tired of feeling low energy, struggling with workouts, or just not feeling like yourself, and you want real support, not just a bottle of pills from Amazon, Blokes might be a solid fit, especially if you want something that's structured and medically backed. If you want to look into it, just click the link below or scan the QR code on screen to go to their website and get the best price available. For me, just having energy again, mental clarity, better workouts, better everything made this worth it. Especially with how hands-on the support team is. If you've been on the fence, I'd say give it a look.